How to wish or summon in Genshin Impact. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you are trying to unlock new characters and weapons in Genshin Impact but confused about the wish system, then here is how you can easily learn how. First of all, launch open your Genshin Impact game on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account and you're inside the game. The wish system is the game's summoning feature where you use special currencies to get new characters or weapons. First of all, from the main homepage, you'll need to go to the top left corner and tap on the Paimon icon. You'll end up in this pop-up menu. You'll unlock wishes early in the game after progressing through the main story round, which is Adventure Rank 5. After you've completed the Adventure Rank 5, you'll be able to enable the wish feature. Now from the menu, you'll see this wish option. Simply tap on that, and then on the next page, you'll see your wish menu. This opens all of the available banners on the left. You'll usually see Standard Wish banner, Weapon Event Wish banner, Novice Wishes, Character Event Wishes, and so on. There are two main wish currencies. The Intertwined Fate, which is also known as the pink currency. The blue currency or Acquaint Fate currency is used for standard and beginner banners, whereas the pink currency is used for limited banners. Simply select one of the banner where you can use the wish, and I'm going to just use this Acquaint Fate currency. You can also convert Primogems into wishes. Now, at the bottom right corner, you'll see two different options that says Wish 1 and Wish 10. A 10 pool guarantees at least 4 items. I'm just going to use the one wish option. Tap on the wish feature, whichever wish option you want to use, and then after wishing, a special animation plays. Then your reward will appear. So that is how you make a wish or wish in Genshin Impact. Also make sure to save Primogems for limited characters. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.